Better start now because we don't have much time, you know.
Well, I'm going to tell about the diagram Amarillo. This animal is one of the animals that is in extinction. There are a lot of kinds of armadillo, but this armadillo is characteristic to have a bony armor that covers the back, that covers its back, and the palm skin. Its appearance is yellow and has a dark back. This animal with its language captures to the insect. The giant armadillo lives in the cave concentrated for them in the stomach of the Andes of Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, and Argentina. They are accustomed to live alone. Sometimes they usually live with a partner. This animal go out in the night in order to find food. In the day, they usually live. They can have only one or two baby armadillos, which time is 4 months. This animal eats ants and insects in general. But one problem that produces extinction of this animal is the illegal traffic of the giant armadillo, which for one of them is $50,000. Another problem is the cluster ecology that produces extinction of this kind of animal. For example, the non-regulated hunting and the illness business of wild species. Well, my opinion, I think that the extinction of the animal is a worldwide problem that many people don't worry about it. The man is trying the ecosystem. I guess that many people should like this problem, should respect about the life of the animal because they are part of our life. Thank you.
Armadillos are found in South America, east of the Andes, from northwestern Venezuela to southwestern Argentina. They live in burrows near water, in grassland, woodland, and forest habitat. The head and body of giant armadillos are usually between 2 and 4 feet long, and the tails are about 2 feet. The neck and backs of the armadillos are covered in a flexible armor consisting of 13 to 17 movable bands of horn and bone. Their heads are covered and protected by a similar overshell. Their forefeet have large, powerful claws, and they are very aged. The diet of giant armadillos are termites and insects, spiders, worms, and snakes. Giant armadillos are nocturnal creatures, which means they are active at night and they live during the day. Whenever they are in danger or they feel in danger, their armor really affects us. They can live for 12 to 15 years.
Thank you.
1 minute and a half.